As a business owner, have you sat there and wondered what are management accounts? Follow my video and I'll explain more. Management accounts. You know you should have them, right? But not quite sure of the format? Follow my video and let's really explore this area and why they could benefit you. What are they? Management accounts are accounts that are produced partway through during your year. Now, as a business owner, you'll be used to preparing your limited company accounts, sending them to Companies House and HM Revenue and Customs. These are filed way after your year end. Management accounts are done partway through your year. You can see exactly what's going on financially in your business, and that could be on a monthly, 2-monthly or quarterly basis. Why they're important? Management accounts are really important because it gives you that dashboard to see exactly what your score is. Now, all business owners, we're under a lot of stress and things are busy and extreme. So we need to see exactly what our dashboard is, how well we're producing financially, because let's be honest, it all becomes a bit blurry, doesn't it? When you're fighting fires every day, dealing with team and looking after your clients. The format. Now, you'll be used to, with your year end, doing your accounts are prepared under the Companies Act, and HMRC want a corporation tax return for you. But for management accounts, there's no set format. You can't get it wrong. I would start off as a minimum with management accounts having a profit and loss, a balance sheet, which is a statement of your assets at a given time, and some form of cash flow. There's no set format for these, but make these as your base minimum, and eventually, if it needed to, and it helped, you can add extra documents that could form some form of management pack, so you have your finger on the pulse on exactly what your business is doing throughout the year. And yes, that's instead of waiting until you get to the year end and go, that's not as good as what I thought. Management accounts help you to take action. They will highlight warning signs. They will highlight things that are going really well or really badly. Because let's be honest, when we're at work every day and we're busy and we're stressed and we're dealing with things, we remember the really good things and we remember the really bad things. But it's the stuff in the middle that determines whether we are successful or not. So the best action, any business owners, and definitely the most successful ones, are the ones that take action. So are you using your management accounts to highlight the early warning signs of your business, and also what action are you taking on these? Now, this could be great action. If you spot an opportunity of a customer that allows you to earn even more, then go. But that will give you the information to take action, the most important part and thing of any business owner. How do you interpret these? Start off with understanding one thing at a time. So I would basically, as a bare minimum, start off with a profit and loss, cash flow and balance sheet. Now, if you don't understand these, don't be embarrassed and get help. People are around you and people can help that can really help you understand your figures. But ultimately, if you don't understand your figures, challenge what's in these management accounts. Because when you challenge things and you understand things, that will increase your knowledge, what will allow you to make better business decisions as an owner, that will allow you better chance of success. Who wouldn't want that? If you don't understand these statements, never be embarrassed to ask for help. There are some really great people that can help you, that can give you the advice that you need, that will help lift your business higher. Who wouldn't want that? So never be embarrassed of asking for help or even employing the services of a coach or an accountant. My big question to you is, what action are you going to take today? Now, you don't have to start off with being it all perfect, with getting monthly management accounts with a great pack. Just start. So how do you either get the figures from your accounting system, whether you use Xero or whether you use QuickBooks or whatever package you use, how can you start getting the data or getting the people around you within your team or your external people like your accountant or your business coach to get this information so it's in your hands? Now, there are some businesses that will constantly manage their business through their bank account. Yeah, there's lots. But if you manage to get better information that allowed you to make better decisions, how could that impact and lift your business higher? Are you completing management accounts for your own business? Click below, I'd love to know. Or if you're not, please let me know on when you intend to start. Now, if there's any questions that have come up on the back of this video, see my link below. You'll be able to book a call in with me so we can have a quick chat. I promise I'll only answer your questions and there'll be no pushy sales pitch.